everyone! Good morning! Samahan nyo kami ngayon papunta sa Jurong East. So, bali magbabas kami. So, ngayon, hinihingal. So, ngayon, papunta pa lang tayo sa may bus stop. At ito yung madadaanan natin bago tayo makarating sa bus stop. Pati or not, meron tayo ditong mga manok. Dalawa yung asawa niya. Oh, ayan. So, we have one rooster and two maybe hens. We don't know. So we're walking here, going to the bus stop. Look at the architectural design. And so we're going to walk this side and look at the plants here. CC plant. Yeah. This is what we call CC plant. I have one like that. Just go straight. Look at Ryan, he's carrying our food for lunch. So I packed for our lunch. Okay, the bus is there already. Oh, I think 852157 still not there. Okay, so Ryan, walk faster. We might miss the bus, okay? So this part is under renovation. So we are here near the bus stop now. We have our new bus stop here. It's nice, we can sit down and so we're going to wait for this. We're going to the bus interchange. So look at that. So you can see the bus number, either 61 or 852 there, going to Bukit Batok interchange. In front of me is the St. Mary's of the Angel Church. So this is the new bus stop also. As you can see, more nicer. So this time we're going to sit down for a while to wait for the bus 61 or 852. Look at the overpass bridge there.
And so we're finally here at Bukit Batok Central. I didn't take a video while on the bus, so this time let's just watch this.
Let's go this side.
Next station, Jurong East. This train service will end at Jurong East Platform D.
Pagbaba natin ng train, nandito na tayo sa Jurong East at papasok na tayo sa Westgate. Dadaan tayo sa Westgate. Makikita natin. So panoorin natin habang naglalakad papasok at makikita natin dito mga ibang mga pwesto or mga stalls ng Westgate Mall.
Starbucks. Oh. Sasa. Pop Mart. Daming tao ngayon ah. Oh, sale. At syempre, makikita natin dito yung mga wow, food. Thai food. Let's go. Dumpling. Buy one, get one free.
At ito, panoorin natin naman ang pag-uwi namin. Ayan, nag-bus tayo. Syempre, wala tayong driver ngayon. Hindi busy. So, nag-bus tayo ngayon. So, ito, mga 3 bus stop lang tayo bago tayo bababa. So, panoorin natin ang mga madadaanan nito. So, kanina hindi na ako nag-upload ng video papunta at ganito rin ang makikita natin. So, ito yung pag-uwi. Ayan. Nakauwi na nga tayo dahil meron tayong natirang rice or bahaw. Gagawa tayo ng olive fried rice ngayon. Panoorin natin. Ayan, nilagyan ko ng olive vegetable. Siyempre, meron din siyang garlic. Minced garlic ang nilagay ko dyan. At may konting oyster sauce. At siyempre, nilagyan ko din yan ng fried shallots. Yan. At ito yung ginawa kong reels nito. Panoorin natin. Mamaya makikita natin dito sa short video. Ayan, gumawa nga pala ako ng scrambled egg para sa toppings niya. Tsaka dagdagan na lang natin ng ibang ulam or fried chicken mamaya. So, hindi ko napapakita yung ibang mga ulam. Ito lang yung binidyuhan ko. Kasi mamaya pupunta tayo sa playground. Yan, gusto na rin mag-exercise. So, ito yung ginawa kong olive fried rice.
Olive fried rice.
everyone, nandito na tayo sa playground.
Uy, ang dami naman
Gusto kasi ni Raya yung paglabas-labas punta sa playground para naman mahanginan. Mas presko
Okay,
kasi
go to
sa
the other
labas.
side.
Ayan, so mabuti naman makalanghap ng fresh air. And may sometimes medyo mahangin. Sometimes hindi, pero kadalasan kasi paghapon medyo
Dito kami sa
mahangin-hangin
playground ni
na.
Ryan. Oh.
Windy. Ayan.
It's already 6:30 sa palagay ko. Ayan, marami pa rin tao dito yan. Sa playground. May ilaw pero may... Happy?
Yeah.
You want to go home now?
Right, seesaws. Playground.
See, so okay. Nobody here already. Little B only. Okay? Okay. Good boy. Walk one round. Toy.
At syempre, hindi nawawala sa eksena si Jolly, ang mabait na dog, good dog, but sometimes naughty, sometimes angry because he wants to open the door for his friend. And finally, when our dog is angry, he's like this. Yeah. Thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy Father's Day!